Hey you guys, are you in need of a new look? Would you like to know how they achieve those sassy curls on the red carpet? Well, I'm going to show you an easier way to do it using the Instyler in just 5 minutes. You heard me. I'm going to show you how we went from this to this in just 5 minutes. So keep watching. Welcome back, you guys. So I have another makeover video for you all, and we have our model here, Michelle Gray. And today we're going to be doing a installation. She's going to be getting extensions put in. Now, we recently just took out extensions, and basically what she's doing, she wants a protective style, but she also wants her natural hair to grow because she enjoys wearing her hair natural, but she would like a little more length. So she's going to wear a protective style while wearing extensions. I'm gonna show you how you can achieve those same sassy looks on the red carpet using just the Instyler. So before we start, I wanna go ahead and blow dry her hair out, extend it, braid her up, and then we're gonna start with the installation process, okay? So keep watching. Okay, so we have her nice and blow dried out. So tip number 1, always moisturize before a install, whether it's a braid style, whether it's a sew-in install, whatever that protective style may be. Even if you're doing just a twist out, it's always important to do some type of moisturizing before finalizing your look. So we're going to moisturize her. Tip number 2, since she did just take out an extension install, always important to do some type of treatment before reinstalling another installation. So whether that be a strengthening treatment, whether that client needs a protein treatment, or just a traditional deep conditioning treatment, it's always important to do some type of conditioning treatment before reinstalling another application. And this is because that hair is going to be up, whether it's a month and a half to 2 months. You want that person's hair to be nice and moisturized and in good condition when it is time for them to take that removal out. So that's tip number 2. Now that we have her all moisturized, we're going to go ahead and do her braid down for her installation. So let's get started. All right, you guys, we're back. So we went ahead and completed her braid down. We went ahead and secured it with a net. So now we're going to start with the installation process. We're going to start with her closure, and then we're going to go ahead and install her tracks. We're going to be using hair from SL Raw Virgin Hair. It's in 18 inches. And we also are going to be using the closure piece. The hair is in Natural Wavy. So we're going to go ahead and begin with the installation now. Hey you guys, so we went ahead and straightened her out. I'll show you guys exactly how to use the Instyler. So we're going to take this subsection. I'm going to pin this hair back, pin this hair up, and I want to curl those hairs going back away from her face. So we're going to just take it like this, putting it right here, pressing down, letting it rotate. Wrapping that hair around, wrapping that hair around, let it rotate, heat it up. Wait a sec, let it cool for a second, and then let it dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one more for you guys. Away from the face. let it cool. So we're gonna go ahead and do her whole head, and then we're gonna show you her review.
Look at what you did. You. Look at what you did. You. Look at what you did.
So I want to take the time out to thank Instyler for gifting me for my Instyler. I do love it. I do use this on set all the time. I use this for my photo shoots, and I also use this when I work at CVS. This is like my go-to tool for everything. It's just easy, it's low-key, it's lightweight, and it's just a good go-to tool. So I just want to thank Instyler for my toolie.